classes every single week. Like just, I don't know how they pair it up, but they always pair it up with multiple.
It's like math and phys is every 2 weeks.
Yep.
And then every other week is chemistry. So it's
Yep.
like, so I'm
Are you Chem 105?
6.
Okay.
6. So
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Bio was too much. Okay. Here we are. Me, Bree, Rachel's on the phone.
Eric's here. Bobby will be here in a second.
Bobby's gonna be here in a second.
He's going potty.
We're taking lesson 11 group quiz. Okay.
So fun.
So fun. So very fun. Also, he like mentions like the not the normal probably applet, but like a different one. I don't know where that is. 16 questions. Awesome. It's so lame. It's always harder material and more questions.
Yeah.
Ah. 16.
It's not too many.
That's
At one
not
time
much.
it's like over 20.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. When calculating on the previous lessons, we had to assume the population standard deviation was known. In this lesson, we were making a different assumption. What has changed? It's that it's unknown. We're assuming that it's unknown because that's why we're using a sample standard deviation, the S. Okay. For the next few questions, let the null hypothesis. So the null is that the mean is equal to 8, and the alternative is that it's greater than 8. Assume that the population standard deviation is not known. Becca collects a sample size of 9 and computes that to be that and that to be that. Is no, it is not. Yeah, because it's it's not known. Okay.
Is this a trick?
What is the value of t? See, this is the thing. I feel like in here they were like trying to tell you how to find t. Do you see? Okay, t. I'm just gonna do it by hand. This is
There's an equation.
It's t is equal to x bar minus the mean or u or whatever, and then s divided by the square root of n. So we're putting that in the calculator.
3.
What is it?
It should be 1.5. This is round to one decimal.
So we got 1.5 as t. Do you know the formula at the bottom of the reading? We just did that.
Yeah, t is x minus u divided by s divided by
square root of n. Yeah. So we put all those in there for question 5, and it came out to be 1.5. Okay. And this one, use the following values which were pulled in body temp for the next 5 questions. Copy and paste them into your software. Use the null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. Did you bring up that thing?
Yeah, but you can't copy paste in iLearn 3. You can't copy it.
Are you for real?
So you have to.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, losers. How do they not know you can't copy paste in iLearn 3?
Oh my gosh.
Sorry,
So we have to type everything in.
If we don't mess up.
They're not the same values as the.
Can we look up body temp? Because there's the form. There's like an Excel spreadsheet, and there's another one for body temp. Yep. Let's see if we can find body temp. Because there's no way in frick I'm gonna sit here and type all these in. So blue scores was used.
Body measure and body temperature. Let's see if these are the same.
Okay.
Value is 1.7.
Body temp, the staff one.
98.
Open.
99.6.
Okay.
Okay, I'm trying to open all this up.
Was that correct though? The Q value is 1.5.
What was that?
The Q value is 1.5, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I got it right here.
Way more numbers.
So I'm on SPSS. So my X would be
So file, open, data. What is it? It's body temp?
0.7376. Oh, okay.
How many numbers are in body temp? See, the thing is when you open up the body temp,
There's like a crap ton of
there's
numbers.
more, there's way more. I don't think we can open up that file through that way because there's way more.
Well, it has, all of them, some of them are,
Yeah.
but the first, 18 of these numbers are correct. And then the very last one is wrong. But if we just change, enable hashtag, just change that to 98.2.
Hold on. 98.7, 98.4, 98.7, 98.4, 98.9, 97, 98.9,
So what is that?
97.1. Hold on 1 second. 92, 99.2, 9.2, 97.4, 99.1, 96.9, 98.8. You won't do it. It won't work for me on here on SPS. 97, 98.7, 97.6, 98.7, 98.2. Okay, so I typed them all in. What is X bar? So you do analyze, descriptive statistics, explore. There's a 95%. I don't know. Oh, this is too hard.
And what does X equal with the X, whatever?
Is it the mean? So I have like an upper bound. So here, and what it gives you, it gives me my mean, upper bound, lower bound. It gives all those, which the mean should be that X bar, so 98. Or is that what it is?
It's mean.
Did you get it?
Is mean also average or is that median?
No. Say average. What did you get? I got 98.206. Rachel, what did you get for question 6?
Honestly, guys,
You too busy?
my family's leaving me.
That's okay.
Yeah.
We can just talk to you later if you'd like. It's not a big deal.
Okay.
Don't worry about it.
It's like the worst time.
No, it's okay. Totally okay. Okay, well, we'll just talk to you later.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
I don't. It's the mean, so I'm.
I'm gonna go see real quick.
Okay.
We both just got a test a couple minutes ago.
Don't worry about it. 0.816. What is the t-score? My x bar is x bar is equal to 98.206. My s is equal to 0.816. My sample size, why hello. Okay, so I just put everything into here. So, okay, we'll just catch you up real quick. Or do you want to just start where we're at?
I'll just where you got it.
Okay, for question 6. So, he put it all in Excel. The problem with Excel is it takes forever to get anything. So, I put, you had to like literally type every single one of them into SPSS. So that's what I did. And X bar, so your mean, is 98.206. And then your standard deviation is 816. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, maybe I didn't do it. Hold on. Let's make sure I did this right. Ah! What the frick? The problem is like typing them in and making sure you don't.
That's really hard enough for this one.
I know. So 98, 99.6, 97.8, 97.6, 98.7, 98.4, 98.9, 97.1, 99.2, 97.4, 99.1. Where are we at? Where was 99.1? 96.9, 98.9.
That's 98.
Hold on. What was it? Hold on. 96.9, 98.8.
Yeah.
Oh, see, I did miss one. 98.8, 99.9. Okay, these numbers are going to change after this. 96. Sorry. 96.
That's the wrong one.
I don't understand why they did it this way. 98.7. 97.6. 98. Point 7, 98.2. Okay, yeah, there should be 20 of them. Okay, let me redo this. So you do analyze, descriptive statistics, explore. Okay. Okay, now what should be correct? Okay, I typed in something wrong. Now it is. Okay, so your mean is 98.20. Hold on 1 second.
Is mean different from average though?
No.
Is mean?
I don't think so. I think that's average.
Okay, yeah.
So 98.170.
What was your number?
98.170 for 6.
Oh,
Are you not getting this?
because I got 98.22. I might have typed in the numbers wrong. So ridiculous. Like,
Just went over.
Okay, let me read them out loud. It's hard
Okay,
to shift
yeah,
your name,
do that.
your eyes back and forth.
Yep.
okay.
Okay.
All right, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
98, 99.6, 97.8, 97.6, 98.7, 98.4, 98.9, 97.1, 99.2, 98.4.
Hold on.
98.4?
No,
90.
wait a minute, 97.4.
Oh,
Sorry, guys.
I was like, yep.
That was so difficult. I can't even read that.
It's so difficult.
All right, 97.4. Sorry.
Okay. Okay.
My bad. On the card. 99.1, 96.9, 98.8, 99.9, 96.8, 97, 98.7,
Oh, really? Hold on.
98.7.
8.7. Okay.
97.6, 98.7, 98.2.
Okay. See, I had one different. Okay. Let's try one more time. Analyze. What is it? Descriptive statistics. Explore.
The car.
My gosh. You spent all your time on this.
How the numbers are in right.
There's 20 numbers in. Yeah. Okay. So mean 98.22.
Okay,
Thank you.
there we go.
But 3 decimal places.
22.
22. Oh.
R2 together.
Don't trip me
Is that your
up.
three?
Yes.
Oh my god, I'm so tired. I've been looking at screens for
Oh,
way too long. Out of the last 48 hours, I think I've been looking at a screen for 40 hours.
Oh my gosh. Okay, standard deviation is 0.922.
Sorry, what?
0.922.
What is a T-score? Did I miss something? Something like that.
Yeah, so that one we just put in the formula. It was, okay, so we know our X bar, which is, nope, 98.220. She had to be with her family. Yep. Your standard deviation is 0.922, and your sample size is 20. So if we put that all into a formula, I don't know why I wrote this upside down. The genius I am. Right? 98.220 minus, well, that's the thing. Does it tell you that one? The U?
And
Okay, what do? We don't know that one.
unless it's
Crap.
20, because there's 20 numbers.
Isn't in the number? And it's how many?
No, the
So-
U one?
Of you.
On the U, like the UE thing is 98.6.
Oh, okay, because that's what,
Technically less than 98.6. But
98.6. Then that's all divided by S, which is 0.922, divided by the square root of what? What's N? 20?
what?
So what'd you get? Negative 1.843?
Yeah.
Thank heavens.
Well, hopefully that's the right number.
Honestly.
Man.
Negative 1.8.
Negative 1.843.
If two people got it, then it's better.
-1.
Because you forgot to do that's divided by 0.922 divided by the square root of 2. So,
Oh.
yeah.
Okay.
So what was it? Negative what?
Parentheses,
Negative 1?
What's the
One
p-value?
843.
Okay, now we need to do the p-value. I forget what the formula was. Okay, find the p-value, compare it to the significance level. Since the p-value is greater, how do we find the p-value? Or does it just give it to me? I think it might just give it to me. Let's see. Well, maybe it does. Because it just talks about comparing it to the level of significance. Doesn't talk about how you, what it
What's the
is.
p-value?
No, that was the one where you take, it was in the last stuff.
So this thing, he says the p-value is
Yeah.
going on
yeah.
that side,
Okay.
because the t-score, is that the z-score essentially?
It says the p-value is given in the software.
1.2.
I'm trying to see where it says it on the software. Looking at the reading, yeah.
So maybe that's just for that specific equation.
Here, let me do this. Analyze, compare means one sample t-test. So you go analyze, compare means one sample t-test. Move that over, press OK. Oh, that's right here. You. I love when we don't have to do it. What are we looking for? No, that's the t value. It doesn't tell me the p.
But does it tell you the t-score?
Yes.
What's that?
Which-
Is that right? Because our answer was negative 1.843.
No. I don't know.
Right.
Let me make sure I put this on. What did we get for that? T?
The t-score was negative
Oh my gosh.
1.843.
Hold on, sorry. So the mean's right, the standard deviation 0.922, that's what we got. It's saying that the t-value is 476.407. So literally what it says on here. Can you see this?
Value.
Isn't that the t-value? Let me show you, like,
Is the t-value different from the t-score?
that's what I'm trying to figure out. Like, I'm looking at this rating. But shouldn't we just follow that formula? You know? Where did I find that? I don't think that's, I know. Okay, I'm just looking at, like, right in here. So it's like right in the middle of it. That's where I'm looking, because that's what I did. I did analyze, compare means, one sample t-test. So how do we use the sigma two-tailed output to find the p-value? This depends on the alternative hypothesis. Consider each of the following alternative hypotheses. If the t-value is large enough, SPSS gives the value of the sig two-tailed as 0.000, which it does. By double-clicking twice on the cell, SPSS will display more digits. If the t is very large, when you click on this cell, SPSS might show a value with a bunch of zeros. Like a normal curve, the t curve never touches the horizontal axis. So there is a little bit of area on each tail, so no matter how far. If SPSS gives a value of a bunch of zeros, report as the seventh digit to the right must be. Oh my gosh.
What language is that?
I don't know. The interpretation result will follow the pattern if the p-value is less than alpha. Okay, but we did the t-value and we find that out. Gives you your degrees of freedom. The p-value is given in the software as, it does not give 1.207. It does not give it in the software. This is exactly what I was confused about because I literally, because on the homework quiz and stuff, I haven't finished. I don't understand how you get a freaking p-value. Do we want to come back to that one? Well, we have to use that to do. We want to. What is the correct decision based on the evidence? Fail or? Because the p-value, what tells you if you accept it or you reject it.
Oh, gosh.
I want to like.
Oh, I'm good, though.
Oh, and you have to type a number in, and it asks what's the p-value.
Oh, don't worry.
I know. I just.
Isn't that
Oh
awesome?
my gosh.
That's
If it
what
just
I
told you, does it show you how to get the p-value on there?
Well, so from this, it says the p-value is this little boy right there.
Okay.
So if I put it in the applet, it was 0.033. I don't know if that's really all that right. How to find t-score in Excel. Okay.
I feel like we had to have done the t-score right.
Yeah, we did the t-score right. Okay, so the other thing is the p-value.
Mm-hmm.
How to find p-value in Excel.
Just about to like call the instructor. Because like if we knew how to do that, then we could breeze through this.
Okay. I can't. Oh, no, 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 no. Crap.
What is it? It's 98.6 is our U.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't get how you change your test value. Hmm. Hmm.
How do you two-tailed output define? The p-value is the area and the two tails beyond the test statistic. In other words, the p-value is equal to sig two-tailed.
Yeah. So
Okay.
like the two outsides, yeah.
So what, can you put that in the applet?
Hmm. I don't know. That's why I'm so confused.
And then in SPSS, you said the value was like 0, 0, 0 or something like that
Which one?
for the sig two-tailed.
It's 0.000, which means it should be big enough, which should be fine. I'm trying to just look at like, because literally this example in here is literally exactly what we're doing, but it just says like the p-value is given in the software as this. Like it does not show me anywhere. Do you want to look at this? Like I'm not seeing this in the software, any sort of p-value. Hello? Hey, what's up? Yeah, I am. Yeah, I know. I don't know. We're hoping for not too much longer. We're kind of stuck, so we don't know what something is. So I think I might just call the instructor. Just put down B. It's supposed to be a number. There's not a fill in.
Point B.
Okay, I'll put in that. Okay. Okay, okay. Good deal. Where are you at? Oh, okay. Have you guys moved stuff in, or what are you doing? Oh my gosh, really? Oh. Okay, I'll let you know when I'm out, and then just come over and I'll make dinner. Okay. Okay. Talk to you later. Oh yeah, we never set that up. It's in that packet. It's in the packet, yeah. Just go to North Point. Okay, but I'm gonna call you when I'm done. Okay, okay, bye. Oh, man, I'm so freaking tired.
So I think that basically we could either put 0.000 or it could be 0.065, 65, or it's 0.033. Because from this, it says if the null hypothesis is true or whatever,
Mhm,
then it would be equal to the two tails on the applet.
mhm.
But if it's not, then it's only one. Software might be like, put in 000.
Mm.
So
Well, because it said to like double click on the sigma two tails. Do you see that in the reading? But like
yeah,
when you double click on that number, hold on, it turns into 3.349 to the negative 40th. So it's way less than alpha. So
we could put
What's the
0.000. And if it's less,
If it's less than 0.05, then that means.
you reject it.
yeah, you reject it.
And if not, then we can come
Yeah.
and do
If
those
this
other
truly doesn't
numbers.
work, then we could just call him because he could be helpful, you know. He could be. I'm so nice. Okay.
Is this still recording?
Yep. Okay, let's no.
We're great, instructor.
No, he is, but it's so hard online classes. You know what I mean? It's just so hard. Okay, new data. Let's try that. But I'm not going to get rid of this one. Okay, can you tell me the numbers? Read
I'll
off.
read them out loud.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, gosh. All right. 59.
Okay.
14.
Okay.
37.
Okay.
62.
Oh, hold on. 62. Okay.
68. 2.
Okay.
15.
Okay.
9.
Okay.
157.
Okay.
27.
Okay.
37.
Okay.
2.
Okay.
55.
Okay.
86.
Okay.
14.
Okay.
4. 40.
Oh my gosh.
36.
This is not ending.
47.
Oh my gosh.
9.
Okay.
61.
Okay. So 21 things. Is that what?
That's-
Yeah.
Should be 20.
What?
No, wait. So 21?
21 things, yeah?
Okay.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4,
Mine says
5,
21.
6, 7, 8,
you're probably right.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
Okay.
Okay, so now what are we trying to find?
Oh yeah. What is the p-value? Oh my god.
Let's go.
Again?
So analyze.
Well, this time, the A value is 0.01. So I'm just going to guess. P value is more than that. I fail to reject the null.
What is the test value? That was something in the reading. What does test value
Things
mean?
not to do.
I know. Oh, what's the test value? So what is the
It's mostly multiple choice.
40?
Mostly multiple choice.
It's 40. It's 40. 40 is the test value. Okay.
You call them up and you're like, hey, I can't figure this out. And you're like, just take the hit.
Sigma two-tailed, it's 0.995.
1.995.
0.995.
And that's bigger.
That's big, it's huge.
That's the P
So we
value.
failed to reject the null hypothesis. Right,
Wait, 10 was reject the hypothesis, right?
I believe so.
10 was reject the null hypothesis. Let me double check on this last one on question 9. I think I might have done something a little off. What is it? Analyze. Compare means. What is it? 98.6 is what is our test value? That's what we're,
Maybe it's like, yeah.
okay. Sigma two-tailed is 0.81. I forgot to put in the test value. 0.81 should be question 9.
0.81.
Yeah,
And question 9,
yeah.
810.
0.081, excuse me, 0.081.
0.081, which is higher than,
So we reject it.
We still reject.
Do we fail to reject
We
or?
failed to reject it because it's higher.
I think this is it because,
Look again.
I feel like I don't remember any of that weird fail to reject stuff.
I think that's what it's pointing to, because the last time, like I was talking about like test value, I didn't know how you put that in, so I put in the test value. It's compared to 98.6. So I finally did that, and that's when a number showed up.
Okay, there
Because
you
it has
go.
to compare it to that. So I'm pretty sure that's what it meant by like double clicking on it, so you see that number fully if it's just a bunch of zeros. So then I did it for this one. So I think this should be it. I honestly do. But yeah, how do we know if we reject or not? If it's
If
greater,
it's higher or lower than the delta or than the alpha,
yeah, alpha.
but I can't remember which one's
Does
which.
it say, does anybody
It
see
says,
it?
it says somewhere in the
I'm trying to find it.
If the p-value is less than a level, we reject it. If it's greater, we fail to reject it.
Okay, so
It's
we failed to
greater.
reject it twice.
Fail to reject, fail to reject.
Failed to reject.
Okay,
Sweet.
okay. Let's hope this is going right.
We just had to-
So we're on question 13. You decide to try another alternative on this time. You keep the same significance level. Did the p-value increase or decrease? What?
Okay, so
So
now
you change it
greater
to
than 40
greater than
is
40.
the little mu. Mu.
Is that one of the options in SPSS?
You can't change. Because you put in what the null hypothesis is, 40.
Mm-hmm. So what you should do is you should put 30 as what you're comparing it to.
It's because it's less than 40.
So it'd be less than 40. And so if it goes up, then we know it went up. If it's down.
So put in 30. Test value is, can you do less than 40? No, 30. Sigma two tails. Hold on, let me get rid of that. I kind of don't like this program. That's what I think I've decided. It comes out to be sigma tails 0.220.
So that's bigger? No, it's a lot. That's smaller, right?
It's smaller, decrease.
So decrease. Cool.
If it's wrong, then we know what the other
Yeah.
Now we know the answer.
one.
That's like most of these multiple choices. There's only two
Yeah.
options.
What is it's
We still fail to reject, don't we? Because it's still bigger than 0.01.
yeah. I hope we're doing this right. Oh my gosh. Yeah,
Okay.
construct a 95% interval for the true mean of what time between birth. Is that talking about the same thing? Sorry.
This is the same as the.
Is this what we're talking
lesson
about?
plan.
Oh. No, it's the last thing we just did, baby boom. That's what it was talking about. So now we have to do, yeah, confidence interval. when you kind of blank on what you're supposed to do. Okay, but I can do it in here because it's the baby boom, so I can find these. You can do that in here.
These words keep getting weirder.
Right. Okay. Analyze. What is it? Descriptive statistic, explore. Statistics on a 95th percentile. Is that what it was? Or 95th confidence interval?
Yeah.
95%.
Okay, sorry, there's so many words. Okay, so our mean is 40.0476 and your lower bound 23.499.
3.499.
But do you subtract it from, yeah,
Because you take
You take whatever the big number was and subtract.
unsubtracted by 40.
like, do you see what I mean? Like, so like at the top, you have like your mean, and then you have your lower bound and upper bound. Should I subtract something?
I think that's just it, because it's just
That's
lower
it.
limit.
Okay. 23.49. 3.499? Yeah,
Mhm.
that's what I said.
23.499.
Yeah.
And then
And
116.
the upper limit was 56.597.
56.597.
Okay. Do you want me to submit?
If you want to.
Okay. Let's see.
Big money, big money.
These
I
points.
in the first few.
Oh yeah, we'll have to catch you up on those. Well, let's see if we've got them right
Yeah.
before we just start handing them out, you know? We missed 2.
Which one?
Okay, we missed, but hey, that's much better than I thought. Okay, oh, and it gave them. I don't know how it gives you the answers. Okay, so 9 is 0.040.
9.
I don't know how that comes out.
Wait.
0.040. See, that's weird because I can find the p-value for one, but not for that one. And then we reject the null hypothesis.
You reject it. So
For
that's
10.
10. And then all the other ones are right?
All the rest of them are right. Okay, so keep it there, and then I'm gonna.
And Bobby, what were
You should just wait because I'm about
Yeah,
to.
I'll wait, and then you can just say them out loud for her.
Yeah.
Okey-dokey.
Hey, at least we got it. That's a good feeling.
Now we just have to do homework.
Honestly,
And we know the answer.
I'm like really shocked that it does that. It like
Yeah.
won't let you copy anything, but it'll let you like you can't copy things into
Yeah,
Excel but it'll tell you the answers after you took the test. But you can take the test again. Like, what the heck? Who comes up with this? Sometimes it doesn't. Okay. On Bio 64, like sometimes you take the quizzes because I was retaking them again. Sometimes it tells you the answers, sometimes it doesn't.
Yeah.
And like I couldn't figure out what the heck the answer was.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know some log 5. It was not in the answers.
No, I don't understand it. But some things on iLearn 3.0 you can copy. My religion class, you can copy the stuff. In bio, you can copy the stuff.
Yeah.
So I just don't
What's
get it.
super weird is I think it's with quizzes, you can't copy things.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, because it
No,
won't even
no.
right-click.
Like, there's
Yeah.
other things besides copy, paste, all that.
I know.
Yeah,
It's 3, we assume it's
yeah,
unknown.
it just says, because if you right click on it, it says you do not have permission to print this page.
I mean, I was
Oh,
trying
weird.
to, like,
4 is no. Sorry.
Okay.
So 4 is no. Do you have to read it, Bobby?
No, what was 3?
We assume sigma is unknown.
Okay. What is the value of t?
1.5.
1.5. Oh, hold on. It says there's an error. Must be a valid number. What the frick? 1.5. Oh, I typed
your
in 2
point?
decimal points. Okay,
Alright, that's all of them.
6 is what?
98.220.
Okay, 7,
0.922.
922. 8,
Negative 1.843.
negative 1.843. And 9,
So 0.040.
0.040 for 9. Question 10,
Oh, I got 13 right.
we reject it.
Rejected.
13 is decrease.
13's decrease.
Did you put
Okay.
increase?
On accident.
Okay, 11.
11 is 0.995. I feel like computers just do that by
I
themselves
know, I
because
know.
I swear they
What?
would.
I thought I remember we were talking about it. I just clicked it.
12.
Fail.
Fail to reject. 13 is decrease. Oh my gosh.
And then fail.
14 is fail. And 15 is
23.4.
499. And 16 is
56.597.
56.597. Let's hope I typed
Alright, now that
these.
you're done reading that out loud, I'll say them all again.
I'm gonna submit this real quick. But
Let's do that. You've done that. You see how loopy I am at this point? I'm just like, finding everything funny.
you don't need to do another one.
Okay, we're done broadcasting. Goodbye.